Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add price to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select price from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the price smart settings, you can set the price condition to markup or markdown product's price. For example, to mark up the price by 50%, set rules as any price multiplied by 1.5. It will multiply all the prices by 1.5. The price condition supports complex conditions for more use cases. Next is the price delimiter that can be set according to preference. Choose from comma or decimal or leave it as auto. Next is the price round, which is used to standardize the product's price if the round number is used too often or the prices do not have a clear focus digit. A currency converter is for converting the price from feed to store. For example, if the supplier feed's currency is CAD, and the store currency is USD. Enable the currency converter and enter the currency in the fields. Lastly, don't update the price when the option excludes certain products from updating the price using this option. It can be excluded by vendor, product type, and product tags. For example, don't update price when vendor is Adabas. All product prices of vendor Adabas will not be updated. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.